Imagine if someone took away your mouse. No clicking, no dragging files, no open folders. Could you still use your computer? Today, I'm going to control my entire computer using only the terminal. And by the end of this video, you'll know the only Linux commands you actually need to get started. Every hacker, every cybersecurity professional, every Linux server, everything eventually comes back to the terminal. It looks scary, but after today, trust me, you will realize it's actually much easier than people make it seem. I'm not allowed to touch my mouse. Everything has to be done using Linux commands. Today, we have some missions to complete. The following are the missions. If I touch my mouse, I lose. Mission 1. Where am I? I have absolutely no idea where I am. Command pwd. Pwd stands for Print Working Directory. Think of it like Google Maps for your computer. It tells me exactly where I am. Now I need to know what's around me. Command ls. Instead of opening File Explorer, Linux instantly lists everything inside this folder. Mission 2. Build the secret lab. Command mkdir hacker lab. Mkdir literally stands for make directory. Once we have created this directory, let's enter it. Command cd hacker lab. Think of this as walking into another room. We have created the room, but how do we enter it? The command is cd. Mission 3. Create the classified file. Command touch mission.txt. This creates an empty file. Now let's write our mission. Command nano mission.txt. Type inside the txt file. Mission begins at 0200 hours. Destroy all evidence. Save and exit. You just created and edited a file without opening a single application or without touching your mouse. Verify the message. Did it actually save? Command cat mission.txt. Linux prints its contents directly inside the terminal. Mission 5. Backup plan. What if I accidentally delete it? Better make a backup, right? So the command for a backup or to copy the file cp mission.txt backup.txt. Mission 6. Hide the evidence. Let's try to rename it, right? Command mv backup.txt space classified.txt. So right here and now we just renamed our backup.txt file into classified.txt. Mission 7. Find the hidden file. Imagine this folder had thousands of files. How would I ever find mine? Write down find dot space bar name space classified.txt. The dot means start searching from my current location. Mission 8. Search inside the file. What if I only remember one word? Don't worry, Linux also has a command for this. The command is grep mission space mission.txt. Think of grep as control plus F for the terminal. Mission 9. Destroy every trace and evidence. rm-r hacker lab. RMR is used to delete or remove directories. The rm command removes all the files specified in front of it. And just like that, you didn't watch a Linux tutorial, you completed a mission. Along the way, you learned the Linux commands you'll use constantly in cybersecurity. pwd, ls, mkdir, and so on. If you enjoyed learning through missions instead of boring lectures, subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.